So, Chris, do our artists with their different personalities have different favorites of toys?
They really do. And they also have different and favorite food items. So, what they're really doing, and you're going to see this, is they're really going to be hunting for certain types of food. Um, and so, here comes Ivy. She's the youngest one out here. She immediately grabs a dog toy. Abby over here, she's sorting. She grabs one, throws it away. Nope, I want this one. This is Rosa, our old lady. She's going to be a little bit pickier and she's going to grab the easier objects.
Yeah, so they have a good appetite and they can go through a lot of toys in no time. You might also be able to observe some natural behavior because this is what the toys are stimulating in them. They really try to get the food out of the toys and might bang the toy against the wall or against the window. And Chris, one reason why we use toys instead of live food on exhibit, it is all for a reason.
It is actually. So the biggest reason we don't give live food on exhibit is because our windows are acrylic. They're not glass. And I don't know if you can see it, but over in the corner, now you can probably hear it. That is Ivy. So our 8-year-old does not believe she should have to open things herself. She prefers to use the exhibit or the windows. So right now she's smashing a very hard dog toy on the acrylic. So this is our ball pit. Some of them have shrimp in them. And some of them just have clam juice. And this was actually Courtney's idea. She created the first ball pit. And since then, we've been making a lot of ball pits. And here's Rosa, our old lady, coming up. And she's sniffing and sniffing and she's sniffing. And yep, there goes another dog toy. Always going to be a favorite here. Especially with her. She really enjoys the dog toys.